with my fidgets. So I have this broken tabas squishy. I hate this thing. And I have this new Rubik's. Oh my god. This new Rubik's cubes. And we got my favorite cheese. And this popper. See here. It's very good. And it's very soft. If you guys have it, just say it. For this dinosaur puppet that is glow in the dark, right? So look. See? And I will cut all these. Okay, next we have this connector. And we got this puppet here. See? As you see, we're playing with it. And very good. Let's play. Oh my god. I'll just put it with my mom's finger. And this also last puppet. And okay guys, it's almost done. Okay guys, it's done. And see, now let's put it in the bag. Next video.